The Pyle 1600W Bluetooth PA speaker offers impressive power and portability with its built-in rechargeable battery and convenient rolling wheels, making it ideal for events both indoors and outdoors. With its Bluetooth wireless streaming capability, you can easily play music from a range of devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers, ensuring versatility in usage. The speaker system includes two UHF wireless microphones and features audio recording capabilities, allowing you to capture performances or events directly on USB or SD cards. Equipped with a 15-inch subwoofer and a 1.34-inch tweeter, this PA speaker provides full-range stereo sound that is both clear and powerful. The inclusion of USB and SD card readers, along with a built-in FM radio, ensures that you have multiple options for audio playback, catering to various preferences. Engineered with a rugged and reliable design, the Pyle PA speaker is built to withstand frequent use, making it a durable choice for both personal and commercial applications.